Our planet was once a lifeless rock. But then, something miraculous happened. Plants were the pioneers of life on land. This shift changed everything for Earth. But how did they survive in this new world? They mastered the art of photosynthesis. This process breathed life into the atmosphere. But they weren't alone. Mysterious partners emerged. These fungi helped plants thrive in harsh conditions. Together, they created rich ecosystems. But then came a dark twist. Climate changes threatened their existence. Some species faced extinction. But the resilient survived and adapted. This resilience paved the way for new life. And soon, animals began to follow. Plants became the foundation of all life. But what if they hadn't succeeded? Would we even be here today? Thanks to plants, Earth is a living marvel. Their story is just beginning. Did you know oceans hold secrets? Beneath the waves, tiny heroes thrive. Cyanobacteria produced more than 50% of Earth's oxygen. But what if I told you they weren't alone? Algae are powerful allies in this story. Together, they breathe life into our planet. But their impact was not immediate. Oxygen levels began to rise dramatically. This led to massive changes in the atmosphere. Life on land was waiting in the wings. But there were challenges ahead. Yet life persevered through it all. The atmosphere was thickening with oxygen. Would you believe this led to mass extinctions? Yet new life forms began to emerge. Life's resilience is astonishing. And it all started with tiny microorganisms. They are the unsung heroes of our planet. So, next time you breathe, thank them. Their story is just beginning. The first land plants faced unimaginable challenges. No soil, no protection, only brutal UV rays. Each attempt was a desperate gamble. Some died from overexposure to the sun, while others adapted with thicker leaves. But adaptation wasn't enough. They needed water. They evolved to capture every drop. Some developed special cells for moisture storage. Yet, new threats emerged from the environment. Extreme conditions led to fierce competition. Only the strongest survived. Their resilience paved the way for future life. They were the pioneers of land colonization. But nature's trials were just beginning. The battle against disease was imminent. Some plants developed resistance strategies. But the cycle of life continued. Every failure led to new adaptations. And thus, the first land plants endured. Their journey laid the groundwork for all terrestrial life. Did you know plant roots created soil? But they did more than just that. Plants pumped oxygen into the air. This magical transformation changed everything. Insects were the first beneficiaries. They thrived in this new environment. Then came the animals. They flourished thanks to plants' oxygen. But it didn't stop there. Humans arrived, and we owe it all to plants. Imagine a world without them. Would we even exist today? This delicate balance is essential. But what happens if we disrupt it? The consequences could be catastrophic. We must protect our green allies. Together, we can ensure their survival. And our own future depends on it. Will you join the fight for our planet? Because without plants, we're lost. What if plants are the true architects? Without them, no forests, no life. Did you know plants produce oxygen for us? They're not just scenery, they're vital. Plants create habitats for animals. Without plants, animals perish. And without animals, how do humans survive? We depend on them more than we realize. Are we just a side effect of their evolution? What if they are the real heroes? Join us in uncovering their hidden stories. Every leaf, every root holds a secret. The stories of plants are endless. Imagine a world without their magic. Let their hidden powers inspire you. Subscribe for more Origin of Life stories.